Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting essentials ready. Update your iPhone X and connect to Wi-Fi. This prevents timeouts and sync errors. Once done, open Settings, tap Mail, Accounts, Add Account, then choose Google or open the Gmail app and tap Create Account. You'll need a recovery email or phone for verification. Make sure it's accessible. This first step links Google's sync services to iOS, so contacts, calendars, and mail can synchronize seamlessly with your device. Now you enter personal details and pick your new Gmail address. Choose something memorable yet unique so others won't take it. Create a strong password, 8 or more characters combining letters, numbers, and symbols, because Google protects many services. Next, add a phone number for two-step verification and a recovery email to regain access if needed. Make sure dates and spelling are correct, because wrong info complicates recovery. Once submitted, Google will prompt verification to confirm it's your device. Finish by completing verification. Enter the SMS code or accept a voice call. This secures the account to you. After verification, review sync settings and enable mail, contacts, calendars, and notes so data flows into native apps. Accept Google's terms, then wait a minute for initial sync. Test the setup by sending a message from Mail or the Gmail app and checking that a new contact appears on your contacts list. Troubleshooting tip. If verification SMS fails, check carrier signal, correct time and date, or request a voice call. Use recovery email as backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.